Good morning, dear students. Today I'll discuss the rules of determiners. First of all, what are determiners? Now, determiners are the words that come before nouns to determine or fix its meaning. Example, I am saying your car. Car is noun here and your is determiner. My house. House is noun here and my is determiner. Now types of determiners. Articles a and the. Articles we have been studying from class 5th onwards. Now demonstrative determiners. This, that, these and those. This refers to things near the speaker. Example, this book is very interesting. The plural of this is these. These flowers are beautiful. Now that refers to persons or things far from the speaker. Get that cat out of here. And plural of that it is those. Those houses are for sale. Thereafter possessive determiners. Possessive determiners are my, your, are, his, her, its and their. Now example I am saying it's my car, that is your pen, this is his laptop, that is her house, the car needed its brakes repaired, that is our book, those are their mobiles. Now thereafter indefinite adjective. Now these determinants are some, any, much, many, little, few and less. Some is generally used in affirmative sentences with uncountable and plural countable nouns. Example, I have some good ideas on this subject. Now any is generally used in questions when you ask whether something exists or not. It is also used in negative sentences to say that something does not exist. Do you have any advice to offer on this subject? It hasn't made any difference. Now, one more example of some I want to give here. Some can be used in questions form also when we expect yes answer. Example, would you like some coffee? Could you give me some examples? Now, any you say. Any is also used in affirmative sentences before plural nouns and when you refer to a quantity of something which may or may not exist. Here I am talking about uncountable noun. Check if you are in any doubt. You can stop at any time you like. Now little and much. Little and much refer to amount or quantity. Little is used to emphasize that there is only a small amount of something. Much emphasizes a large amount. Both are used with uncountable noun. We have made little progress. Do you watch much television? Now, thereafter, next one, few and many. These are used before plural countable nouns. Few emphasizes a small number, many emphasizes a large number. Example, few students were present today. Many people went to welcome the Prime Minister. Now next one, less. Less is used to refer to an amount of something that is smaller than another amount. It is usually used before uncountable noun. He finds less time for his hobbies. Now one more thing I wanted to share here. Sometimes students get confusion when he finds or she finds few, a few, the few, or little, a little, the little. So here I want to differentiate between what you call few, a few, the few. Few, that means almost nothing. Example I am giving you, last day few students came. It means simply you can say hardly one. If 2000 students were there, then one came or two came. That is what almost nothing. A few, that means positively something. Last day a few students came. It means if it was 2000 students, then approx or almost or near about 50 students joined or came. The few, although it is less, but it indicates whole. The few students who came last day had put on white shirts. So this is what the few. That means the number is less, but it indicates what you call whole. Thereafter, in the same way, little, that means almost nothing. A little, positively something. The little, although it is not much, but it indicates whole. Thereafter, now others, that means others are determiners. All, each, every, both, neither, either, other, another, enough, most, several, one, two, first, second. Others you say. All requires a plural verb when followed by a plural countable noun. It indicates every person or thing of a particular kind. All prisoners cannot be treated in the same way. All requires a singular verb when it is followed by an uncountable noun. All that glitters is not gold. Both. Both is used to talk about two persons or things of the same kind. It is used to emphasize that the two persons or things are involved rather than one. It is often followed by and. Example I am giving you. He held mangoes in both hands. Both Ramesh and Rakesh are good players of tennis. Either and neither. Either and neither refer to two persons or things, but usually indicate that only one of the two is involved. Example I am saying, neither is used with a singular noun. Take either half, they are exactly the same. Neither statement is true. Either can mean both of two things, especially when used with and or side. They stood on either side of the bed. There was an armchair at either end of the table. There were trees on either side of the road. Now each and every refer to all the members of a group of persons or things. When we talk about individual, there we use each. When we talk, that means, or when we make a general statement about all of them in a group, there we use every. Example you see, they rushed out to meet each visitor. Now, every child would have milk every day. The new development can be seen in every village. Now, thereafter, 1. We have been talking or writing about a group of people or things and want to say something about a particular member of the group. We use one. It is used instead of a or an and is more emphatic. Example, one woman novelist wrote that they criticized her all the time. Now another. Another is used with singular countable nouns to talk about an additional person or thing of the same type as have already been mentioned. He opened another shop last month. Other. Other is used with plural nouns or sometimes with uncountable noun. Other people must have thought like this. Enough. Enough is used before uncountable nouns or plural nouns to say that there is as much of something as is needed or as many things as are needed. It had enough room to store all the information. They were not getting enough guests. Now, most. Most indicates nearly all of a group or amount. Most people recover, but the disease can be fatal. Most farmers are still using the old methods. Several. Several usually indicates an imprecise number that is not very large but is more than 2. I had seen her several times before. There were several reasons for this. Students, I hope that you must have liked this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.